Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. How are we doing today? Alhamdulillah. اليوم بإذن الله راح نتناول الصف الثالث والرابع الابتدائي مادة اللغة الإنجليزية. And today inshallah we will be doing a phonics lesson, unit, feelings and things. معكم المعلمة سارة الشبيكي ومعنا معلم لغة الإشارة الأستاذ فواز العقيل. As always, it's a pleasure. Let's quickly go over our classroom agreements. Please make sure to have a snack before class. Find a quiet, comfortable place. Also, don't forget to have your Weekend 2 book and an English notebook for writing time. Let's go over what we learned last time. So last time we had a lesson words, right? So we learned to talk and ask about clothes using the two words these and those. We also learned to use words that tell us where something is. The word in, like the cookies are in the jar, and on, the lid is on the jar. And for today's phonics lesson, inshallah, we will differentiate between the short vowels A, E, I, O, and U, and the long vowels A, E, I, O, and U, using silent E. So we use the silent E for the long vowels, right? We will also differentiate between the B and the P and the F and the V sounds. We will also differentiate between the th and the sound. So we have two sounds with these two letters, the sh and the ch. We will match sounds to letters. We will match words to photos and drawings. Are we ready? Okay, so now please read each word and notice the underlined sound. Okay, so we will underline, you will see underlined letters. These letters make sounds. Notice the sounds of these letters. Okay, let's begin. Here we have, yes, we have a bunch of, is it one paper? No, we have a bunch of papers. So here we have the, what sound is this? The P sound. Excellent. And here we have the word bat. So the word bat can be two things. This animal over here is a bat. And we use this for a baseball game. It is called a bat. This is the B sound. And here we have a black shirt. Excellent. The sound is S and H for shirt. And here we have 1, 2, 3 chicks. Excellent. The C and the H make the ch sound. What about this? What picture do you see? We can see a group of one flower. No, we have a bunch of flowers. And the underlined sound is the f sound. So far, so good. Were you able to notice all these sounds? Okay, let's continue. Here we have a picture of one kind of vegetable. No, we have different kinds of vegetables. That's why it ends with an S. Now the first sound is the V sound. So what other sound is similar to the V sound? Excellent job. So they look the same coming out, but they sound different. What other two sounds are similar? The B, excellent, as in bat, and the P, as in parrot. Excellent. Okay, now let's continue. Here we have the, what sound do you see? Thorns. Thorns. We have one thorn, two thorns, three thorns. We have many thorns. So that's why we have an S in the end. Again, what's the first sound of this word? Thorn. Excellent. Next we have another TH sound, right? We have here mother and father. Can you make the sound that's underlined? The. Excellent. The one before was th. This one is the. So this one has a voice, okay? The other one was like a whisper. So we have a mother, father, here we have a daughter. Can you list the rest of the family members? Grandfather, grandmother, cousin. Excellent. Okay, so now we're going to open page 40. Please listen, point, and say each word with me. Bear. Bear. Here we have pear. And here we have a picture of one. Van. Fan. This is my new book. This. Three. Ships. Chips. Did you notice the difference between these 4 sounds? We have 4 sounds here, right? The TH makes 2 kinds of sounds. The first one is th. It doesn't have a voice. And then the other one, like father or this, this one has a sound. Okay, it has a voice. All right, and the other 2 sounds are sh and ch. Now please continue page 40. Listen and number. So what does this mean? You're going to hear someone say number 1, chips. So what are you going to do? You will look for the word chips and then you're going to put number 1. It's kind of like a game and it will help you focus on the sounds and match the words with the right sound. Ready? Okay, let's begin. Now listen and write the number of the word in the box. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. Chips. Number 2. Van. Number 3. This. Number 4. Bear. Number 5. Pear. Number 6. Fan. Number 7. Three. Number 8. Ships. Excellent job. Was it easy for you to listen to the sounds and match and write the numbers in the right place? It was fun, right? Because you were testing yourself. Okay, now let's continue. This time we're going to notice more underlined sounds, okay? So please read each word. Notice the underlined sound in each word. Tap. Tap. Tape. Tape. Pin. Pine. So here we have how many vowels, boys and girls? Here we have the I and the A, okay? So there are 2 that are short and 2 that are long. The ones that are long, what do they have in the end? Like the word, let's look at the words together. Tape. Without the E, it's only tap. So now you know the difference. When we add an E in the end, the A becomes long. And without the E, it's short. Same thing for pin and pine. More vowels. Here we have top, top, rope, rope, cub, cub, cube. Now if you look at cub and you look at cube, they're two different things and the words are exactly the same, but the one with the long U has, say it, has the magic E in the end. Excellent. So now continue please on page 40. We will do the same thing. We will listen and number. Ready? Let's do this together. Now listen and write the number of the word in the box. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. I, pine. Number 2. Top. Number 3. Tap. Number 4. Rope. Number 5. Pin. Number 6. Cub. Number 7. Tape. Number 8. Cube. Excellent job. Okay, now show me a thumbs up. So far so good? Were you able to match the sounds and write the numbers in the right places? Okay, excellent job. Now we're going to listen and check for long and short vowels. So you will listen to the word, read the word, and then say, is this word long or is it short? Okay, and we will notice the difference that not all long vowels end with a magic E, right? So let's look at the list we have for today. Ready? Let's begin. Now listen and check. Is the vowel long or short? I says ship. E says sheep. E and A say C. I says sit. E and A say speak. E and E say week. Okay, excellent job. So now we can notice that some vowels come together as, yes, they come together and they make one sound as a long vowel. Just like the word week has two E's and it makes the long E sound. E and A, they come together to make the long E sounds in these words that we have. Okay, so now we have an idea that long vowels can look differently. Okay, Now let's continue. Please open page 41. Listen to the sound and check the right sound that you hear. Ready? Okay, let's begin. Now listen and check the sound of the first letter. Number 1, B, B. Ball. Number 2, P, P. Puppet. Number 3, V, V. Vase. Number 4, F, F. Face. Okay, so were you able to do this with me? You listen to that first sound, and then when you hear the word, you tick the right first sound. We're going to continue, okay? Number 5, sh, sh, ship. Number 6, ch, ch, cheese. Number 7, this. Number 8, 3. All right. Excellent job. Now I just want to ask you a question before we move on. You see the T and the H? We see 2 of them, right? One of them has this sign next to it, and it's even in your book. And the other one has this one. What does that mean? So the TH in 3. Put your fingers here. Do you feel a vibration? No. And this is why we have this mark over here. It does not have a voice. Now the other one, as in the. Can you feel that? This. You feel a vibration? That means it has a voice. And this is why we have this sign over here. So now it's clearer, right? What other pairs of letters have the same thing? Excellent. The f and the v. Which one has a voice and the other one doesn't? You tell me. Excellent. The v sound has a voice. What about the p and the b? The b sound, b, v, they all have a voice. Okay? Excellent job. Now please continue page 41. We will listen to the word, circle the right word, and then match to the picture. Okay? Number 1, cap. Cap. Here's the picture of the cap. Number 2, vase. Vase. This here is a picture of a vase. Rice. 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 Number 4, pin. Pin. Short I. Over here. Picture of a pin. Number 5, tube. Tube. Here is a picture of a tube. Cut. 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 Excellent. Number 7, rose. Rose. Here is a picture of a rose. Excellent job. Now, as I was reading the words, did you notice the long and the short vowels as you were putting a circle around the word and looking for the picture? Excellent. Now, here in the lesson of phonics, we are getting used to the sounds, right? So we get used to the sounds get used to the letters, and then we use the language in words and sentences. So do you feel like you're ready to use these letters and write words with the right sounds? And then use those words in sentences to speak to people, to write and to read? Okay, excellent. Now we're going to open page 101. Please listen and check, then write. Okay? So we're going to listen to the sound, check the right sound, and then write it down. Number 1. B, ball. Number 2. P, p, puppet. The P goes below the line. Number 3. V, v, vase. Number 4. F, f, face. Let's continue. Number 5. Sh, sh, ship. Number 6. Ch, ch, cheese. Number 7. This. Number 8. Oh, I made a mistake, right? It's not this one. Which one has a voice? This one has a voice. Excellent. So this is the answer. The for this. Excellent. Number 8. 3. Okay. I think now we can know the difference even better. When we make a mistake and we fix it, we learn more, right? We learn better, actually. All right? Now, please look at the pictures and write a sentence for each picture. Let's see. What do we see in front of us? The boy is holding something in his hand over here. What is he holding? It's a block. They're playing with toys, right? And it looks like a cube. We took the word cube before, right? So let's write down the boy has a cube. The boy has or is holding. We can say is holding in his hands, right? In his hand is holding. Remember the sound B. The boy is holding a cube. The U is long. Excellent. C, U, B. Is that it? We add an E in the end. Excellent. The boy is holding a cube. Are you using your notebook? Come on, practice with me. The boy is holding a cube. And what do we see over here? Yes, these two kids are playing with how many puppets? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many puppets do you see? I see 4 puppets. I see 4. What's the word? Puppets. What sounds are familiar? Yes, we worked with the f sound and the p sound. I see 4 puppets. Here we have a T-shirt with a picture of a chick. Can we write this down? This is a T-shirt with a chick. Let's write this down. This, remember, this is a T-shirt with a picture of a chick. Okay, I just made that t at the beginning so you can notice that this is a CH. You see the difference between the CH and the SH? Okay. Now we're going to continue. Please open page 102. Circle the word and write the sentence correctly. We're going to do exercise number 2. Over here we have Jim is happy. Jim is, see, we leave space between words, right? Jim is happy. Are we finished? No, we add a full stop in the end. What about Jim? What does he like? What does it look like he's doing? He likes math. He likes math. Do you like math? Full stop. Excellent. Okay, now please complete pages 101, 102 for home learning. All right? Now, what did we learn today, boys and girls? Today, we actually reviewed, right? So we reviewed these sounds, the b and the p, f, v, sh, ch, the, f, and the, th. Also, the long a and the short a, short, long, short I, long I, short O, long O, short U, and long U. All right? Now show me a thumbs up if these sounds to you, you already know them, you feel like you can read them, and you can even use them in some words. Excellent job. Okay. We can also recognize and match sounds to letters. So the word scissor begins with the s sound. What about book? It begins with the b sound. We are now familiar with matching sounds to the right letters, okay? So before we end today's lesson, let me ask you a question. Can you read with me this question? How do you feel about yourself? We have come a long way. I'm sure that you are now more familiar with the language and you feel confident in using the language, so you must be proud. So how do you feel? I feel proud. I feel proud of you. Thank you so much, boys and girls. I'll see you again next time, inshallah. See you soon.